Hey guys, it's Will Palmer. I'm an attorney marketing expert in Kansas City, aka a big internet geek. But that just means I help your firm bring in lots of cases and money. So it's to your benefit that I'm a geek. So one of the things I want to start doing more frequently is giving the insider tips to my marketplace, because I've discovered in the years I've done this, and I've helped a ton of firms, hundreds of firms, and met with even more, bring in, millions and millions of dollars in revenue by finding good clients online. But there's so many phonies out there, and what I realized is if I can share actionable online marketing tips that you can apply to your practice to grow, it's going to help you and I both set ourselves apart in the marketplace. So FAQ I get a ton when I meet with people is, how much money should I be spending on marketing? Right? I'm going to answer that for you right now. And I am going to not sugarcoat a thing. I'm going to give you a real number that you can apply to your practice tomorrow, or think about where you stand up or stand against these numbers today. Okay? Depends on two things. It depends on the practice area of your focus and how competitive your marketplace is. Okay? So, top 3 PAs or practice areas I see are: 1, personal injury. If you are a PI attorney in a competitive market like Kansas City or a competitive metro, you need to be spending 12% or more of your gross annual income on marketing. That's the number. So top line revenue before expenses, 12+% should be going to marketing. Okay? Now, let's talk about criminal. That's the next one down. If you're in a highly competitive market, 8 to 12% of gross annual revenue should be spent on marketing. Family law is the third one. And for family, you need to be spending 8 to 10%. If you are in a less competitive metro or an outlying metro, for me that would be like, St. Joe or Columbia or Springfield, Missouri, or Lawrence, Topeka, or Wichita, Kansas, smaller metros. Take the number I just gave you and minus it by about 3 or 4%. That's simple, okay? So again, PI, 12% plus, criminal, 8 to 12, family, 8 to 10. If you're more of a transactional practice like tax or estate planning in a highly competitive market, it may only be 6 to 8%. Okay? So think about where you stack up. Now, there's a reason I'm giving you these numbers, because I look at my clients and I see who is maximizing their results or return on investment without diminished returns by overspending or just lighting money on fire and wasting it by underspending. Those are the numbers I see. You have to be competitive enough to get your message out there, your firm name out there to the right audience with a real legal need to convert into a call in a paying client. That's the number. So the next question I get is, how do I apply that money? And there's a lot of different things we can talk about, but the great news is I am here to recommend the very best for you and your personal goals as a firm to grow, because everyone is looking to do something different. So if you want to chat and just talk about what a roadmap to success may look like, I'm just here to lay that out for you and recommend the right things to get the job done. Schedule a free call with me. I'm local. It's that easy. I'm here to help. So hope these tips were useful. I will try to get some more videos out soon.